Hi, I'm Queen Lipel Siampil from BSIT1N. So let's start discussing about this code. First, let's define what is double. Ginagamit ito to ensure na accurate yung mga arithmetic computation. Then, the double product. It multiplies two numbers, the double sum. Add two numbers. The double quotient divides one number by other. And the double difference, subtract one number from another. Then the void operation, open and close parenthesis, character operation. Siya yung nag-handle kung ano ba yung mga selected operation ni users na gusto. So, for example, gusto ni users na gumamit ng multiplication. So, magsisi out doon yung selected multiplication. Yung selected multiplication. Kasi nakalagay dito sa switch natin, case, yung asterisk. Kapag daw tinype mo yung kapag nag-ask yung program na pre-select operation, sinelect mo yung asterisk, magsisi out siya na yung selected multiplication. Then, so on lang din yun. Then, gumamit tayo dito ng while loop that continues until the user choose to exit. Kapag nag-press siya ng key maliban kay Y. For example, gusto pa ni user na gumamit ng ibang operation, magpe-press siya ng Y. Then, kapag ayaw naman na yung gumamit, gusto na niyang i-finish yung program, magpe-press siya ng kahit anong key doon, maliban lang sa Y. Then, the operation, close and open parenthesis, na magpa-function siya that selected operation pagkatapos ma-execute yung operation. The program asks if the user wants to perform another operation. So, let's start. I-run natin tong code. So, here, yung program natin, nag-ask siya na, please select operation. Let's select the multiplication. Yan. Nag-see out agad siya ng, you selected multiplication. Then, please input number 1. Input tayo, number. Then, the second number. Yan. Lumabas ngayon dyan na, the product of 5 and 6 is 30. Then, nagtanong siya ulit. Nag-ask ulit siya sa users na, do you want to perform another operation? Then, press Y if yes and other key if no. At dahil gusto ko pa na mag-perform ng another operation, I will press the letter Y. Yan. So, let's see. Yan. You select division. Select ulit tayo ng first number saka second number. The quotient of 9 and 3 is 3. Then, nag-ask ulit siya na, do you want to perform another operation? At dahil gusto ko pa matry yung other operation, press ulit ako ng key. Try natin yung susunod. The subtraction. Input ulit ng first number. And the difference now ng 9 and 4 is 5. Kasi, in-input natin yung sa first number is the number 9. And nag-input din tayo sa second number ng 4. So, nag-ask ulit si program na, do you want to perform another operation? Yes ulit. Select tayo ng addition. Input ulit tayo ng first number saka second number. Yan. Then, the sum of 9 and 4 is 13. Then, nagtanong ulit siya na kung gusto ko pa daw mag-perform ng another operation. So, dahil nga nagamit ko na lahat ng operation, syempre, hindi na tayo tutuloy. Ipipinish na natin yung program. So, I will press kahit anong key dyan, wag lang yung Y. Kasi nakalagay dito, press Y if yes. So, magno-no na tayo ngayon. Okay? This will end the program. So, that's it. Thank you.